the shrimp is your favorite food. Any kind of shrimp.
Yes, that's right.
I'm going to use the noodles made with Konyaku, which is mountain yam, and to wrap the shrimp. Usually in Korea, traditionally we use jellyfish, but because jellyfish is very difficult to get and it's hard to find fresh ones. Now I'm going to show you how I stuff the shrimp. Put the white pears in first. Put the green cucumbers on top. Then take a few strands of the noodle and you wrap it around the back like this.
Looks good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Good. Yeah. Try it.